FSP, one of the leading manufacturers of power supplies in the world, is pleased to announce its new CMT330 and CMT520 mid-tower PC gaming cases. Ready for gamers of every budget, the CMT330 and 520 offer the flexibility to integrate air, all-in-one, or custom liquid cooling. The CMT330 sets itself apart from the current industry trend by supporting 2 Blu-ray drives, or other 5/1/4 module currently on the market, and the CMT520 features a modern, tempered glass and RGB look while keeping a keen eye on airflow. Both CMT330 and CMT520 come with pre-installed fans to meet the basic need for air cooling. Both cases use the exact same internal layout to support larger ATX motherboards with 8 PCI Express cards. Large, 163mm, CPU coolers, graphics cards, 423mm, 4x2½ and 2x3½ drives fit in the cases with ease. A rich front panel with 2x USB 2.0, 2x USB 3.0, headphone and microphone jacks are standard. The CMT520 is the new high-end, yet affordable PC gaming case from FSP. It features 4 RGB fans that support Motherboard RGB control, like Asus Aurasync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and MSI Mystic light. Those RGB fans shine behind the tempered glass front and side panels, and are beautifully reflected by the PSU shroud's halo cover, which mirrors the inside of your case. With airflow being a critical design in the CMT520, the front panel offers ventilation for cool air to enter the chassis, allowing both a front or top 360mm radiator to receive great cooling. The CMT330 features the same internal dimensions as its bigger brother and allows for the installation of 2 5/1/4 drives, besides the 2 2½ and 3½ drives available in both cases. With one acrylic side panel and halo cover, the rear blue LED fan creates an amazing looking case ready for air and liquid cooling, with 120 and 140mm fan options and space for up to 2 360mm radiators, while 2 120mm fans at the front of the chassis provide plenty of airflow to cool your system. Unique features of the CMT330: all black, high airflow ATX mid-tower gaming PC case. Halo cover mirror PSU shroud. 1x plexiglass panel. 2x USB 3.0, 2x USB 2.0, HD audio jacks, power. 3x 120mm fan, 1x blue LED, CMT330. 2x 3½ 4x 2½ drives. 2x 5/1/4 drives. Supports extended ATX, 297mm wide, motherboards. Supports up to 8 PCI Express cards. Support for 2x 360mm radiators, front, top. Supports 163mm high CPU coolers, 423mm long graphics cards. Unique features of the CMT520: all black, high airflow ATX mid-tower gaming PC case. Halo cover mirror PSU shroud. 4x 120mm RGB fan and lighting control box. Support motherboard's RGB lighting sync. 2x tempered glass panels. 2x USB 3.0, 2x USB 2.0, HD audio jacks, power, reset, and RGB button. 2x 3½ 4x 2½ drives. Supports extended ATX, 297mm wide, motherboards. Supports up to 8 PCI Express cards. Support for 2x 360mm radiators, front, top. Supports 163mm high CPU coolers, 423mm long graphics cards. The FSP CMT330/520 is now available at a MSRP of $79.99/$99.99 USD.